This is a very, very exciting day. It's almost a dream come true for me and many others. I'm proud to be part of this leading edge movement. We're anticipating the creation of thousands of jobs. We're not even anticipating anymore, it's happening. The National Offshore Wind Agreement is the first in the country, and it marks a huge win for all of you and all of our workers across the state.
The vision for this came about, 5 years ago maybe, Billy? Having breakfast right up the street in the Silver Coin Diner, talking about a vision for how we could do a better job training pile drivers, what we were going to do to be on the cutting edge for wind energy, and damn, oh my friend, you guys knocked the cover off the ball.
So this is the Eastern District Pile Driver Training Center. Apprentices attend this facility at least one time through their apprenticeship. This rig's capabilities, we could drill about 40 feet with 24 to 36-inch metered cans. Flag and walls like this would be used in downtown Philadelphia next to large high-rise buildings where you can't shake the foundation next to it, or historical buildings that you don't want to damage.
It's certainly an Eastern District initiative for our pile driving. We're hoping for this to be the model for the entire UBC. It goes from the whole Eastern District, from Maine all the way down to the Carolinas. It includes the North Atlantic States Council, the New York City Council, and also our millwrights.
We're taking you out of the classroom, out of the shop, in a building aspect, and actually doing it with heavy equipment. Hammonton's going to be a home that people are going to know that is the leader in offshore and emerging technologies and infrastructure.
At this station here, our apprentices will learn advanced layout and install cofferdam, usually done in water, to give ourselves the ability to get down to do a foundation for bridges.
We teach 4 different ground mount systems that our contractors need us to train our apprentices and our journeymen.
Our leadership has made the commitment to put a turbine in here. A big portion of our work is going to be in the offshore wind industry.
We didn't have this when I first started. It was a lot of in the classroom PowerPoints. So now they're going to have actual hands-on experiences with the testing and welding and driving pile. Hands-on is the best way to learn.
We've actually grown from the lot across the street to all this that you see here. This training center gives us the capability to have the best trained workforce in the market. It gives our contractors the competitive edge to bid any job and win more work, which is the name of the game.
When a contractor has a skilled, trained, quality workforce, the benefit funds are healthy, and we're really proud to be part of it.
We were on the hunt for a property that met the criteria we needed for the last few years, and all of a sudden this wonderful place became available.
Here we actually have a 25-acre lake in addition to our dive academy, which is directly behind me. Outside of the current staff and students that are here, which are strictly from the Eastern Atlantic States Regional Council Carpenter, this facility is actually open to the Eastern District as well as the UBC, the dock builders in New York City, everyone around the country.
Divers will be able to go down and practice. They'll be enclosed when they come up out of the water and they have to take their gear off. So this will be a full-time, year-round operation once we get our certifications established and once we develop the different training criteria that's going to happen here at this facility.
We went from nobody knowing that we have divers to having the premier diver training facility in the United States. Nobody knows more about training than the UBC, and they've got the hardware, and the facility here is ideal for training. You can teach a mechanic how to be a diver much easier than you can teach a diver how to be a mechanic. And this school is going to teach mechanics how to dive.
People will be coming from across the country to train here so that we can get ready for the next generation of energy development led by New Jersey and the UBC.